Hello everyone, welcome to brand new video in our cooking channel. Before we get into the video, make sure that you subscribe our channel and help us grow by sharing our videos. Like and share our videos and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Okay, you might be wondering what we are doing today. So today's recipe is all about how to make vegetable poha cutlet. So let's see how to make it, and before we get into the process, let's see all the ingredients that we need for the process. First, I have taken one big carrot and I have grated, and I have taken the grated thing aside. Then I have taken one big onion and cut it into and chopped it into fine pieces. Then I have taken one big capsicum and I have chopped it into small pieces. Then I took about 7 green chilies, and then you need 2 cups of flat rice. Now let's move into the process. I am adding 2 cups of flat rice to it. Okay, you need to wash them thoroughly. Apart from that, I have also taken small piece of ginger, 2 to 3 chilies, and small amount of coriander leaves, and I have chopped finely, as you can see over here. I have shown you this in my previous video. If you are interested, then you can watch them in my previous videos. Okay, now I have washed the flat rice thoroughly. Now I am adding 1 cup of maida. Then I am adding half cup of rice flour. I am adding 2 spoons of jeera. I am adding jeera because jeera is good for digestion. Adding these grated carrots. Then I am adding onions. And then I am adding capsicum. Now I am adding salt to taste. I am adding salt to taste. I am also adding the finely chopped coriander, ginger and chili paste. And now we are going to mix all these ingredients thoroughly until all the ingredients are mixed well. Now we are adding little bit of water, and you need to make sure that since we are making cutlet, it needs to be a little hard. We need to make this as a chapati dough. So now you can see that the dough is formed, and you need to make sure that it forms round in this way as I am showing you in the video. And since we are making a cutlet, you are going to make it as a flat surface. And the cutlets are really good because we use a little amount of oil while frying, and since deep fries are not good these days, so I mostly prefer doing cutlets at home. This is a very simple recipe, and you can do this recipe whenever you want. Okay, so here's a tip for you. If you are a working professional, or you are too busy to do something, then you can do this at night and keep it, and in the morning you can make this for breakfast, because it is really very healthy, since we are adding all vegetables like carrot, capsicum, onion and all these ingredients, and it's nutritious as well. Please mention us in the comment section about the recipe, and make sure that you try the recipe. And if you have any other recipes, if you want us to make any other recipes, then also please feel free to mention in the comment section. So now the next process is that I'm taking these red chilies and I'm going to grind this. Since it's not that much hot, that's why I'm adding red chilies as well along with green chilies. Okay, so I have grind this red chili flakes, and I'm going to add this red chili flakes into the mixture. I'm adding red chili flakes because for spiciness, and if the cutlet is spicy, it's tastes really good. Now we are going to mix this red chili flakes thoroughly until completely mixed. And by the time I mix red chili flakes, I have also put a pan, and then I put it in low flame, and you need to heat the pan before putting a sufficient amount of oil in the pan. Now I am adding 4 spoons of oil. I told you in the starting that you don't require much oil, and that's the plus point with it. And now I am distributing the oil evenly so that the oil gets heated faster. Okay, now let's see the process of making cutlet. So I made it round, and I am making the surface flat. And you can see now that the oil is heated, so I am putting the cutlet over here. Now you need to fry these cutlets until golden brown or completely fried. The same process goes for all the other cutlets. Oh my god, this looks so delicious. Please do subscribe our channel for more healthy recipes, and I'll keep uploading healthy recipes and simple recipes every 2 days or every day. And please share our videos, because our videos are really good, and share it to your friends, relatives, whoever needs this. Yummy delicious. I hope you're enjoying the video as I'm enjoying too. Thank you to all the subscribers who have subscribed till now. For the perfect combination of cutlet, I am taking a green chili, and I am adding salt and ajwain in between. And now we are going to fry these. Okay, before the process, you need to take green chilies and cut it in the middle, as I am showing you in the video. Now I am frying these chilies as well. Okay, now you can see that I have flipped the cutlets, and they have come to golden brown, and you need to fry like this both the sides. And you can see that I have also flipped the chili because it's being cooked slowly, and you need to see that nothing gets burnt in this process. Make sure that you fry them after every 10 minutes. Okay, your cutlet is getting ready to serve. So wait for it. Okay, now I'm frying it in medium flame. Okay, now you can see that the cutlets are fried golden brown both the sides, and now we are going to take it onto a plate and serve. And I've also taken the green chilies aside since these are fried already. Okay, your cutlet and green chili combination is ready to serve, and you can eat it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure that you subscribe our channel and help us grow by sharing our videos. More exciting new videos coming up, so stay tuned. For more healthy recipes, hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.